What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This video, I'm going to be going over why hindsight is important for ICT. Why is it so important? Okay, and you're gonna click once I tell you this. Okay, but it's very important for ICT. Let me know what you guys got for Christmas. By the way, I'd be very curious. Hope everyone had a great holiday. And yeah, you want to watch me live stream for the new year, I'm running a 50% discount code off for the first 2 months only for the new year. And again, you can click the link in my bio, the WAP link. You can watch me live trade every day. So I would definitely recommend that. And there's a lot of extras in my Discord as well. And my other Discord is free. I do have a free Discord as well. So make sure to click that. Other than that, make sure to click that Apex link, code in the description, 71% off. Apex is a great place to start if you don't want to fund your own account and blow up your money. So make sure to click that link. All right, so why is hindsight so important in ICT? A lot of you are probably thinking like, oh, what is this video? How are you supposed to catch a play without hindsight? Well, let me show you. You got to realize we all sleep, okay? There's not a single person watching this video that does not sleep. This is a prime example. On Friday, okay, we clearly closed above this bearish fair value gap, which means what? Which means price wants to go to the next high. But you can see by the end of the day Friday, did price ever hit this high? No. So let's say we see a price not hit this high. Well, we know because this got inversed, okay, this fair value gap itself, we know that price should still go hit this high. So this is the hindsight part. So now we know price should hit this high. We're coming to Christmas. You get off the charts around this time. This is about 2 o'clock, so you'd be off the charts by this candle. And then we wake up on Tuesday morning to go trade in the market, and you wake up and you see this, and this is your hindsight. Now you're not in a position here. You see the price close above, and you see the other hindsight thing that price clearly respected these bodies on this candle. Now, this is important to understand in hindsight because even though you did not take this, even though you did not long this, seeing that price respected a fair value gap, especially in the 4-hour time frame, especially where the body is holding it, seeing that tells you that this draw on liquidity is still going to be this high. And have we hit it yet? No. So does that mean there's still opportunity to enter? Of course, there's still opportunity to enter. If you look at it on the 5-minute chart, there's still so many entry opportunities. Right? It's not the kill zone yet. We're obviously going to wait for a kill zone, but here's the kill zone. Now, here's all your entry opportunities, and then you're targeting buy side the whole day. So you don't have to come to the market and be like, oh, I missed this 4-hour fair value gap. You were supposed to see this. This is hindsight. We had not hit this high yet, and then now you're looking for an entry model because of what you see in hindsight. Okay, so here's a quote. What you see in hindsight allows you to take a more confident entry model in live time. Okay, that's DD quoted 2023. Because if I did not see this and I woke up and I saw a price really disrespect it, then come down, would I want to be bullish here? No, I wouldn't. But when I wake up in the morning, see we have not hit this high, and see price clearly bounce out of this, I still know there's going to be an opportunity to long here. Okay, this is especially true with inversions. Okay, if we go to last Friday, there's a very clear inversion here. Right, this bounce off this for value gap. This is hindsight. Okay, I don't know if we're going to bounce off this. All I know is if we bounce off this and then we inverse this in live time, I'll take this in live time because what I saw in hindsight of us bouncing off the fair value gap tells me that this inversion should probably work to this high. Okay, and hopefully it's clicking for you guys. Really hoping it's clicking for you guys, because if this is not clicking for you guys, I don't know how much easier I can get this across to you. But that's why hindsight is so important in ICT, because if you cannot understand what I'm telling you right now, you cannot understand anything. Even like sweeps of highs and lows, like you don't know how we're going to sweep this. You don't know if we're going to go way under than above. You don't know if we're going to barely sweep then go above. But the fact that in hindsight, you see us barely sweep it, get a green candle back up, and then inverse this, the fact that you see, okay, well, we swept this. This is hindsight. I missed this long. I'm not going to turtle soup it now. But seeing this in hindsight tells us or gives us more confidence that this inversion is going to work to the upside, okay? right? You don't have to catch the first long to know that. You just need to see how we react in hindsight. Okay, and that's what's going to give you the bias of the highs. So hopefully this is a good video for you guys. You can just see it's so important, and a lot of the inversions I take are all off of, okay, what did we do in hindsight that's going to make me like this inversion? For example, in hindsight, when I'm taking this inversion, we clearly barely swept this low and rejected this. This is the hindsight right here, right? I don't know if this is going to happen or not, but this is the live time. This is like, okay, now we've really dumped. We've in hindsight, we barely displaced above this. I can now expect this short to work because we inverse this, or we barely swept above this high in hindsight, and that's just bearish price action. Okay, so do you guys see where I'm going with this? Like, it hopefully it clicks for you all, but that first initial rejection is usually hindsight. Okay, you can predict it. I have predicted before. I have predicted moves like this, right? Don't get me wrong, but do not get married to them because you will be wrong about a lot of these. I'm probably 50-50. I'm probably higher than 50-50, but I have gotten these moves right, but I do not marry my predictions because sometimes you'll see a different reaction that makes you think differently. So it's better just to watch the reaction of something. It's so much easier, and you don't have to marry a bias. So again, that's gonna be it for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. This is a very important video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And other than that, I will see you guys all later. Don't forget, if you want to join my live streams by January 2nd, click that link, the WAP link in the description below. Use code Dodgy. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.